welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 8th of June 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. So scale-based regulation has been divided into how many categories according to the most latest NBFC regulation. So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 4. So recently the Reserve Bank of India came out with a set of norms for provisioning standard asset by large non-banking financial companies because of the increasing role played by such entities in the financial system. So basically on their size, activity and precise riskness, a framework for scale-based regulation for NBFC has been designed. So basically, while considering scale-based regulation for NBFC, the 4 layers are base layer, middle layer, upper layer and top layer. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which of the following nation is the Rosneft, a petroleum company associated to? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Russia. So India is planning to double down on its Russia oil import with the state-owned refineries to take more heavily discounted supply from Rosneft. So basically the state processors are working to secure new 6-month supply contracts from Russia to India. So it will consist of both public and private refineries like India Oil Corporation, Hindustan Petroleum, Bharat Petroleum, Reliance Industry and Narayana Energy, which is partly owned by the Rosneft. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which is the time limit for the resolution of an appeal under the new social media legislation developed by the central government? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 30 days. So recently the central has come up with the new social media laws because the companies has violated India's constitutional rights. So the government brought back a proposal to amend the rules that govern social media companies. So it also includes a plan to set up a new government appointed committee. Okay, so now move to the next question. Who chair over the BRICS finance minister and central bank governors meeting? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Russia. So recently the finance minister and central bank governors of BRICS countries issue a joint statement to deepen financial cooperation and strengthen coordination on microeconomics policy. So basically this finance minister and central bank governors of BRICS meeting took place under the BRICS China chairmanship. So the main objective of this meeting to have coordinate in deriving the world economy out of crisis and shaping a strong sustainable economy. Okay, so now move to the next question. RBI expected to raise the repo rate by how many basis points according to the recent survey? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 40 basis points. So according to a recent poll, Reserve Bank of India is likely to raise the repo rate by 40 basis points for the second time. So the committee had unscheduled meeting in earlier May and voted for a 40 basis point repo rate hike due to an increase in April inflation. Okay, so now move to the next question. Muthoot Finance recently partnered with which of the following payment bank? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Airtel Payment Bank. So recently the Airtel Payment Bank has partnered with Muthoot Finance to offer gold loans through Airtel Thanks app. There will be a non-processing charge on the loan. So basically the Muthoot Finance will provide up to 75% of the pledged gold value as a loan. So the loan facility will also be available at 5 lakh banking points for Airtel Payment Bank. Okay, so now move to the next question. According to the Everest Group, which firm has retained its 10th place among the top global PMB, also known as business process management vendors in 2021? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is TCS. So recently the TCS has maintained its 10th place among the worldwide business process management suppliers in 2021 according to the Everest Group. So basically the ranking is based on the combination of revenue and revenue growth. So basically the top 5 fastest growing corporation year over year were Tech Mahindra, Telsa International, Teleperformance and Comdata. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which neo-banking platform recently launched hashtag LiveBoundless, a credit line card designed specifically for women? So the correct answer of this question is option A. So recently the Stashwin is a neo-banking platform which introduced hashtag LiveBoundless, a credit line card specially for women. So this card aims at giving women greater financial freedom. It also offers cashback, rewards, welcome credit, free ATM withdrawals and deals. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which company established the Har Time EMI on Time Financial Education Initiative? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Bajaj Finance. So recently the Bajaj Finance Limited, the lending arm of Bajaj Finserv Limited, a global financial service, has launched Har Time EMI on Time, a digital campaign to raise awareness about the importance and advantage of good financial habits for a secure financial future. So basically the campaign aims to inform the general public about the advantage of paying their monthly loan EMI on time, as well as long-term consequences of missing payment on their overall financial health. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which board's electronic trading platform, mRube, is set to go online on June 8? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Rubber Board. So recently mRube, the electronic trading platform promoted by Rubber Board, will go live from June 8. Company is the technology partner. So basically mRube follows a simple one-time registration. So basically KN Raghavan, who is the executive director, will launch the beta version of the electronic platform at the function in the presence of the Rubber Producer Society and other industry representatives. Okay.